Hey, I'm JC, the author and instructor for Pro Trading and the creator and developer of TradingView Toolkit and Thinkorswim Toolkit. inFocus, a $40,000 plus week at cisTRADING. I'm going to go over a few trades in focus with the Euro Pound, the Euro US Dollar, the US Dollar Japanese Yen, Pound Jumpy, and the Australian Dollar US Dollar and Euro Jumpy. What we're looking at are the trades that we made to make a $40,000 week this week after a $27,000 day today. So I'm just going to go over these trades, show you how we position them over the last couple of weeks, and then look at the futures markets also and get an idea of where these markets might be headed. So Euro Pound, up first, your good bump. You can see the up move there. We did hit our 85 target on that trade, and we're looking for an 88.91 in the future. Your good bump. Your used dollar. We're looking at the Euro US Dollar trade. We positioned that over the last couple of weeks long. We have a long target with a great Gatsby Pro Trader pattern on this trade all the way up to 118.50. We expect to see higher ranges before we see anything significant lower. So we're looking Euro US Dollar long. We made a lot of money on that trade. We're looking at used Jumpy. We're short this trade. We're looking for a 107.50 target, profit taking between maybe 108.50. We expect this trade, used Jumpy, to sort of follow the Euro US Dollar trade as it moves higher. So we do expect maybe to see a 118 level, possibly again above 115 at least, used Jumpy long term, but it is a capital structure trade, so we're up and down with it, looking for a 107.50 target right now. Made a lot of money on that trade this week. Looking at Pound Jumpy, we've been short this trade. I have a post on it. We're looking for a 138 target, at least below 140. You can see right there at that 140.19 where our algorithm level is. We're looking at the cisGG TradingView Toolkit algorithm with the Pro Metrics and the cisCCT GG Market Vision 2020 all new active trading indicator, and you can see how it marks the levels on the chart there for you. Next up, inFocus Euro Jumpy. We've been long this trade off and on, traded it both ways a little bit, and that's been a winner for us. We have a 127 target on this trade, at least above 127 long term. It could take some time to get there. This is a capital structure trade, and it trades a lot like the Dow futures. So if you're a Dow futures trader, this might be an option in Forex. Euro Jumpy. Looking at the dollar, we saw a couple of weeks ago some signals of the dollar target down below 98.74, and I'm a long dollar person. Currently looking for a 103 to 105 target intermediate term, but we did see a huge pullback coming, and when you trade Forex, you don't want them destroying the value of your principal when you're putting it in the market. So we gave our dollar away over the last couple of weeks, a whole lot, almost $8 million in positions, and came out of about half of those over the last week for about $40,000. And that's the dollar index there. You can see where we're at. We're trading right at our target at 98.74, just above that core value. We do see a 103 to 105 longer term target on that trade. Next up, we're looking at the E-minis for the S&P futures. On this trade, cisTRADING, we see market short on a diamond top. That's in a previous post. You can check that out on Twitter. If you go to twitter.com/Joshua Corum or hashtag FX Insights, you can go through all of those posts, look at Futures in Focus also, hashtag Futures in Focus. It'll give you any of our major insights regarding the futures markets for the major indexes. And we had a short on that from February 21st. Looking for a major downfall on the S&P. Right now, we expect to see trading below 3,000 initially. Next up, the Dow futures. Looking at the YM Dow futures, we had a Great Gatsby Pro Trader top pattern on this also. We expect to see the Dow trading at least to 17,000 intermediate term and have a 10,260 target for the Dow short currently. So we're watching that market also. You can see where your levels are there. And next up, inFocus out of US dollar. We're looking at the Australian dollar, US dollar trade here. You can see it's pro-traded. I have that available at FX Insights on previous posts, so make sure you check it out. You can get all your current pro-trading levels. These are the major pro-trading levels. We're long this trade, but it's a slow trade up. We expect the Australian dollar, US dollar to be long, slow on the way up, but we are in this position long, and you can see the pro-trading levels there. We moved up today a little bit above our core value. I expect to see a shift in that. Our Prometrics algorithms trading a little bit lower. We're in a compression cycle on this trade and expect maybe a little bit of consolidation and then a move higher. So Australian dollar, US dollar, our first major target levels at around 67.11 where we'll see some selling up to 67.83, and then beyond that, once we break above 68.21, we expect to see higher trading into the mid-70s throughout 2020. So 2020 long Australian dollar, US dollar trade. We expect short major markets, and we expect to see the dollar to move up and down, all the way up until it gets to 103 to 105. Again, I'm JC with FX Insights, the creator and developer of TradingView Toolkit and Thinkorswim Toolkit, and the author and instructor for Pro Trading. Make sure to go to youtube.com/user/CISTrading. Check out all of our videos there that go over the various trading solution products that are there, and also some live trading that's available, as well as some live analysis. You can see all the resources that we offer from Corum's Capitalism Theorem there also, and also cisevents.wordpress.com. If you'll go there, you can see a lot of our trading resources there also. Again, I'm JC. Have a great weekend.